So hi! Anong names nyo and from what school?
Marco from Adamson.
Kyle from Adu.
Napanood nyo na ba yung Hello Love Again sa Netflix? In the future, do you see yourself working abroad and sacrificing yung quality time nyo with your parents and family in exchange of a better future for them?
Oo, kasi since dati pa lang OFW na rin magulang ko. Dalawa sila. So, medyo sanay na rin ako sa ganun.
Oh, same rin. I will sacrifice para sa kanila. One of my parents, OFW. So parang I got a gist of what they have sacrificed rin for me and for us. So para in a way, alam ko na rin paano rin sila may in return. Also opportunity.
To give back din. And of course, naman talaga namang marami ring opportunities abroad. So salute sa mga OFWs natin sa iba't ibang parte ng mundo. So thank you so much to you guys. Dahil dyan may free coffee kayo from Cafe Cafe and KMCD Global.